10 years ago, and been flying it for about 5 years now.
That's awesome. Well, do you mind if I cruise?
No, go ahead.
Thank you.
The pictures on the left up there on the wall are pilots that we found
I flew this thing.
in the records during World War II. When we met those guys, descendants, we were actually able to be on the airplane for a couple of flights.
That's awesome. How far can I go?
All the way up to the jacket.
Oh, this is quite nice over here. No wonder. Oh my god. This is so cool.
Because probably the other C-47s, all of this will be different each one.
Really?
All the radios and all that, each one I've seen is a little bit different.
I would have a problem flying this because I'm too short.